Hey, what's going on, everybody? Steve here, Rake and Profit. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 ways that you can save quite a bit of money, improve your margins, and just ultimately make more profit in your reselling business if you're doing online arbitrage, or if you're sourcing items online to maybe flip on another website. For example, maybe you're sourcing items on eBay and you're selling them on Facebook Marketplace, or you're selling them on Amazon FBA, as in my situation. I want to share with you 3 things that I'm doing to save around 9% bottom line. So let's get right into the video. So the easiest way that you can get started to save, 1% every time you buy something on eBay is to use a website called Mr. Rebates. So if you go to MrRebates.com, I'll put a link down below. And if you use it, I think we both get a little something extra. I'm not sure, but I just started using this website recently. And as you can see, I purchased quite a bit of items on eBay. And let me move myself out of the way. And you can see this is the total amount that I'm spending on the item. And this is the amount that I'm getting back, 1%. And essentially all you have to do is just go in here, type in eBay, and then just click shop now, and it'll just bring you into ebay.com. And once you purchase, you'll get credited. So essentially what they're doing, Mr. Rebates, is they have affiliate links with all these different companies, and they're giving you a kickback. So this is an easy way for sourcing off of eBay to save 1% at a time. If you take a look at my transactions, you can see that I've been doing this since December 30th. So I wish I was doing this longer, because I'm spending over $10,000 a month right now on eBay. If you take a look over here, you can do all different types of websites, and some of them are even better. Like I purchased a couple gaming computer laptops because I'm actually mining some Ethereum right now, and I just ordered 3 more. So I'm going to have 4 computers set up. Maybe I'll share with you guys how I'm doing that in a future video. But I think they gave back like 3%. So if you go over here, and you look for different stores, like Dell Outlet is giving back 3%. Let's just look at like Dress Barn. Dress Barn's giving 3%. So just go through this portal before you purchase something. I think Kohl's might even have one too. Let me see. So Kohl's 2% cash back. So that's a great way to just get some free money. The second tip that I want to give you is to make sure, if you're purchasing items online, to make sure that you have a good cashback credit card. There's a whole bunch of them out there. If you go over to nerdwallet.com/best/credit cards, cashback, you can take a look, and I'll link this down below. There's a bunch of different credit cards. The Wells Fargo is doing 2% right now. There's the Blue Cash Preferred. I'm not exactly sure what that's giving back, but a lot of them give 1 to 2% back. You can get 1.5 to 2% pretty easily. So just go over here, take a look. Obviously, some of the credit cards are going to, have like a yearly fee. I try to avoid that. A lot of them as well. I just signed up a couple months ago for the Chase Inc. business credit card. You do need some pretty good credit to get that. And they gave me an extra $750, literally cash. If I think I had to spend $6,000 or $7,000 over a 3-month period, which was obviously easy for me since I'm buying a lot right now. So definitely look into some credit card hacking. But every time you purchase, don't just pay with PayPal. Make sure you go through a credit card to get that extra 1 to 2% back. And the big boy, and this is what I'm working on right now, is sales tax exemptions. Okay, so pretty much sales tax is meant for the end consumer. So if you're buying an item from an auction, from a thrift store, maybe from eBay, you technically, if you're a business and you're going to resell the item, you're technically exempt from having to pay that sales tax if you are able to prove it through maybe a reseller certificate or other means. So I'm going to link this up down below. If you're buying items off of eBay or auctions or thrift stores, get your reseller certificate, because that's going to save you, here in Connecticut, that's 6.35%. So if you go over to this website that I'm going to link up on eBay, you can put in your state, and then you could put in your entity type, which is going to be resale. And eBay will tell you what they need from you in order to make you sales tax exempt. So for Connecticut, they either need the CT resale certificate or the MTC form and the sales and use tax permit. So for every state, it's going to be a little bit different. For me in Connecticut, I just Googled Connecticut resale certificate, And over here, you have to fill out a form, provide your registration number, and just fill out a couple things. And then you can go and you can submit or upload the documents to eBay. They say that they need about 10 to 15 days. And then once they approve you, you're going to be sales tax exempt. Now, from my understanding, this is only for items that you're intending to resell. So if you're going to be buying, office supplies and other things for your business that you're not going to resell, I would create a different account for that, because you're really only supposed to be resale exempt from sales tax exempt from items that you're looking to resell, because again, sales tax is intended for the end user. Now, of course, I'm not trying to give you financial advice. This is just a guy on the internet who's done his research. So go do your research as well. Make sure, because it differs per state. But I'll link all these things up down below, Mr. Rebates, the information for the credit cards, and also the sales tax exempt link over here to see if this is a good fit for you. But hopefully this video helped you out. By the time I'm done implementing all this, which I already got the credit card set up, I've already got the Mr. Rebates, but once I get this sales tax exempt finalized, hopefully, if I did it correctly, I should be saving close to 9% bottom line, which is great. And for a lot of people, you might not think that really means that much, but that's 9% bottom line. And if you're doing any type of volume, you're really going to save quite a bit of money. Okay. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.